If you are one of the many who suffered from food poisoning because of contaminated peanut butter, you may be entitled to a cash award.
If you were hospitalized or if someone you know died from contaminated peanut butter, call attorney Jim Adler right now.
If this has happened to you, keep the jar. If you've been hospitalized, you may be entitled to a cash award.
National Quality Service in Cloudianapolis has issued a food contamination warning for southern Cloudstone County in southern Stormyland, RAVENROCK County in southern Stormyland, ASHFORD County in southern Stormyland, ROSEWARD County in southern Stormyland, until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday, at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. State and federal health officials reported a widespread hazard involving severely contaminated food products. The hazard is located at retail outlets, grocery stores, school cafeterias, and residential pantries across the entire warned area, including BULLETIN schoolhouse and surrounding communities. This hazard is caused by contaminated Peter Pan and Great Value brand peanut butter produced since May 2006. Jars bearing a product code beginning with the number 2111 stamped on the lid are contaminated with salmonella bacteria. Do not eat the affected peanut butter. Throw affected jars in the trash immediately or secure them and return them to the store of purchase. If you or your family members have eaten these products and developed fever, abdominal cramps, or nausea, seek medical attention immediately.